When it comes to wide-body kits, people seem to either love them or hate them. If I show you this, I bet you either think,
"Damn, boy, he's thick, boy!"
or you think,
"Oh! Ew, dude! What the f-?"
For the hype that was and still is behind the C8 Corvette, it's really no surprise that these are out as soon as they are. I'll tell you all about these kits and my thoughts on them. Let's get into it. By the way, if you want to see other cool C8 stuff, check out my C8 Lambo Doors video or my C8 Z06 news video after this. I'll link them both in the description below. With that being said, I'll first talk about the Pandem kit. Pandem is Rocket Bunny's sister company. It's owned by the same parent company and designed by the same guy, so I see them as basically the same thing. The C8 kit comes with a beefy front splitter, rear spoiler, bumpers, side skirts, and the riveted fender flares. The kit costs only $7 grand, which is less than I would have guessed, and they're already taking US orders. For $1,200 less, you can get it without the giant wang, but if you're buying this, you might as well get all the downforce. The kit obviously doesn't come with the suspension or wheels, so anybody who wants this exact look would have to fork over more cash, but my first thought on these wheels was,
That's disgusting.
For the kit as a whole, I've got a couple issues. First off, the black trim at the bottom makes it look like they slapped on black foam with Elmer's glue. It might look a lot better with it painted with the body color. The squared off fender flares seem to fit it a little better than completely round ones would, but the front splitter should have stuck out more and not gone down so far. This is obviously only a rendering, so a real walk around might look a lot better, and the wheels are meh, but the whole thing looks too cartoonish to me. I'm all about adding flair and crazy to cars for everyone's inner 5-year-old, and I don't think the back looks that bad. From the front and side, it looks too much like a Final Boss DLC for me. Like I said, it does look wild, but that's just my opinion.
Not bad, not bad. Now you...
The second widebody kit's from a company called Sigala Designs. Overall, I'm more of a fan of this one, which might be because the widebody's more low-key. The details I especially like are the fender vents, side skirts, and the roof afterburners. This kit starts at a more expensive $15 grand for fiberglass and goes up to $25,000 for the carbon fiber one. Yeah, it's pretty steep. It comes with a vented hood, front splitter, rocker extensions, wheel arches, rear wing, and a bunch of vents and slats. I'm not a fan of this wing. I think it could look alright if it was shorter and curved with the body more. Honestly, I'd probably just slap on a bigger lip though. That diffuser and center exhaust look
Nice.
but the kit description doesn't say anything about selling an exhaust that actually fits into that spot. They're currently taking pre-orders on this and they say it should be done during fall of 2020. If I had a base C8, I wouldn't personally buy either of these full kits, but they both have their pros and cons. I prefer the looks of the Sigala one, though not enough to pay the extra expense. The company offers almost all the parts with their kit sold individually, so I'd probably highly consider certain parts like those roof afterburners. My ideal C8 would probably have a splitter, side skirts, rear diffuser, and the smaller wing option with a wicker bill similar to what the C7Zs had.
Perfection.
Put down in the comments whether you love widebody kits or you think they ruin the car. Also, don't forget to watch my other videos on the C8 Corvette news and mods. As always, if you enjoyed this video, tap that like button to let me know and subscribe to Liberty Drives for more American car content and news. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. Have a great day.